The reason I came to Upper Valley is because I wasn't very interested in learning with books. I was more interested in learning with my hands, and the apprenticeship program seemed pretty interesting to me. My favorite part about Upper Valley is probably the apprenticeship program and the fact that they let you focus on work as well as school. The apprentice program is a great opportunity to go and focus on school for 2 weeks and then go and focus on your work for 2 weeks. You get a vision into the real world, and that is probably my favorite part about Upper Valley. What I do every day is I go to class and I get a blueprint from my instructor, Mr. Snell, and typically we'll discuss the blueprint and then we'll go to lab and work on machines from industry, making parts for industry, just doing things that you would be doing in the real world in an actual machine shop. The different machines that we use in lab is the mill, the lathe, some CNC work. We have grinders, a drill press, pretty much everything that you would find in the actual business world of manufacturing. My favorite part about lab is just getting a vision of what industry will be like if I decide to pursue this career path, and just working with the machines and not having to stare at a textbook all day. If you're a sophomore thinking about pursuing a path at Upper Valley, I would 100% say that you should. There's so many possibilities here that you can do, so many different programs. College, there's scholarships that colleges will offer for you just for coming to Upper Valley. There's no reason not to come here.